Hello, good afternoon, all. My name is Gideon. All right, today I'll be introducing you to a community that pay you to make contributions, invite people to join, and do just little stuff without burning much of your data. All right, part of the benefit that you have on this platform are airtime bonus, freebies, a lot of freebies like gift card, cash transfer, and lots more. All you just have to do is log on to group.group. Goldinfoplug.com.ng and click on the go button. All right, let's wait for the page to load up. All right, once the website is fully loaded, the first thing you want to do is you want to use the top right corner. At the top right corner, you want to use the menu there. You can see it says ultimate solution for your community website. With Golden Info community, we share you different updates and also give you freebies in terms of airtime, cash bonus, gift cards, and lots more for your wonderful contributions. And if you scroll all through, whenever you see this kind of ad pop up, all you just have to do is use this cancel button to just remove it. You get, so just do that. So these are different groups that are available. How does it work? If you are new to this great community, use the register link to sign up, share your thoughts and ideas, and you could be among the lucky winner to win. You get a lot of that. So not to waste my time, your time rather, I'll use the top right corner menu and hit on the register button. So when I click on the register button, I think this my browser kind of sucks, but let's just manage it for now. Okay, I just have to open this in a new tab since my browser is acting crazy. But you don't have to do this in your case. You can just click on the register button and it will take you to this page. All right, so on this page, you want to make sure that you fill in all your information correctly. Username, you can use whatever username that you design. Let me take okay, then you want to use your preferred email address, wherever your email is. You want to enter all of that at gmail.com. Okay, then your password should be something that you don't make visible. You want to type in whatever your password is, and okay, you get it. Okay, so and the next thing you want to do is you want to select your gender, your sex, whether you're female or male. Make sure that you select the right one because there are different content available to different gender. So you want to make sure you're selecting the right one. Then your location, you want to make sure that you select your correct location from this option. You can decide to make your location visible to everyone, or you can change it to only yourself or all members or to friends. Whichever one you select, just close it, then it's activated. Then on this network area, make sure you select the right network, because whenever you win up freebie in terms of airtime, for example, you'll be credited in terms of your network, maybe at a 500, 1000, depending on the level at which the admin has decided to credit you based on the activity you have performed. Then you can decide to, okay, this is set to only you, it is only visible to yourself alone, no other person can see this. So once you have entered all the right information correctly, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the sign up button. And if you can save this password for later time so that you don't have to remember it. Do you get now? So for this case, since this is just a test run and none of this information are actually correct, I'll just press on no. Then I'll proceed to sign up. Then you get this message: you have successfully created your account. To begin using the site, you need to do whatever. So this means that a link has been sent to your email. That is why I said you have to input the correct email. So when you move into your email and you check your mailbox, you see the link, you just click on the link, then your account is activated, then you have access to start using the platform. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come to forum page after you have logged in. Then on the forum page, I don't know why this browser is kind of acting crazy today, so I'm just going to open the forum on a new tab and I'll switch to that tab. So on the forum page, you see different topics, different forums. Then you can choose the one to join. You subscribe to a particular forum, Then you begin to drop your contribution in the comments box. Let's say, for example, if I'm taking the marriage and relationship forum, I'm just going to open it. So after I open it, I select the topic from this option, then I put in my contributions and boom. So for everyone you invite to join this platform, for every time you share this content, you have some um, freebie to say, in terms of gift cards, in terms of airtime, in terms of cash, depending on how active you are and how up and doing you are about promoting the website. So you are being paid to actually connect with friends, to share your ideas, and to get more visitors, more members for the platform. So it's not like a Facebook where you log in every day, you update your status, update your new pictures, and all of that, and you just have to eat up all of your data without getting anything paid for it. Unlike this, you get paid for whatever you do. This website is actually coming to live on September 7th. So I urge everyone to register. This is the same way Picoin came then, and people were like, how long will this stay in the market? What is the sustainability and all of that? And today people are making cool cash about it. So I urge you that you use the registration button. If you can find the registration link, look at the description area of this video. You find the registration link there. So just hit on the registration link and register and get your account activated and wait till when the website fully launch. I hope you love it.